Welcome to our deep dive into gaming. Valorant has quickly become one of the most popular tactical shooters on the market. But what if you want to play it on Linux? Linux has come a long way as a gaming platform. With its open source nature, it offers unique advantages and challenges for gamers. Let's explore this potential. As of 2023, Valorant does not officially support Linux. However, many gamers are still eager to play. Let's see what's possible. Fast forward to 2025, many in the community hope that updates will bring better support for Linux. Could gamers see a change? Tools like Wine and Proton have become indispensable for Linux gamers. They offer potential ways to run Windows games, like Valorant, on Linux. Performance on Linux can vary. Understanding the hardware requirements and optimizing settings is crucial for the best experience. The Linux gaming community is robust and supportive. There are many resources and forums available where you can seek help. If playing Valorant is not feasible, there are plenty of alternative games available on Linux that offer similar thrilling experiences. Experts predict exciting advancements for Linux gaming, with potential native support for popular titles emerging by 2025. Will Valorant be on that list? In conclusion, while playing Valorant on Linux presents challenges, the future may hold better possibilities. Stay optimistic and keep gaming.